Hello and welcome. In this video, let's use the formula to make a sketch of a linear function. In a different video, we have had a situation where we were given 2 points and we came up with this equation and we used the picture to get the slope. Now, let's say that we actually have the equation and we're looking for the picture of that line. So here is an example. Suppose that we're given this equation and we're looking for the graph of it. So let's make a sketch by hand. When we look for the equation, the first thing to find is the slope and the second thing to find is the y-intercept. When we're going from the equation to the picture, we reverse all those steps. First, we use the y-intercept, then we use the slope to get the second point. All we need is 2 points to make a straight line, and these two numbers will help us get both of those points. So the first point is the y-intercept. Let's sketch it. So the first point is 1, which means the line is going to cross our y-axis at 1. So that's the first dot. Then we use the slope to get the second point. The slope is rise over run, which means the top number tells us how far to go up or down, and since the number is positive, we're counting 3 units up. So from here we go 1, 2, 3, and the bottom number tells us how far to go over to the right. So from here we then go 2 units to the right, 1, 2, and we will be right here. That's our second point. That's all we need to make a sketch. Once we connect these two lines, we will get our graph of a function that runs through these 2 points. And that's how to make a sketch using the equation. Now let's use the calculator and check to see if our line actually went through the same 2 points. So here is the graphing calculator, and y equals, let's type in the equation, 3 divided by 2, x plus 1, hit graph. Here is the same picture on a standard window. Let's check to see if these 2 points are on this graph. So we'll go to the table, second table. The first point is 0, 1, 0, 1 is here. And then 2, 4 is, so 0, 1 is here, right here. And then 2, 4, that's the second point that we went through. This point is right here. So that means that this equation went through exactly the same 2 points that we have plotted here, which means it's the same line. And that is how to check using the calculator if we get the same line. And that's it for this video note. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. If you have some of your own questions you would like to see discussed, also let me know. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your time.